is there a call to kill warhorns? Like, what's the strat for warhorns?
I don't know. Mary?
Zan's answering in main.
Oh shit, that's my bad.
About me. Sound check. Echo? Wala.
Are any of you in main comm still?
I'm in main.
Okay. I'm gonna adjust my volume. Main comm's too loud. All right. Can you guys say something? I want to test my volume.
Aloha.
1,
Okay,
2,
good.
3.
Cool.
What the fuck?
All right, pop your consumes. Make sure you got net shot on. And let's get ready to kill.
Make sure to show all your stats and gear in your VODs.
How much con y'all running?
200.
Okay, cool.
14.
Just making sure. I tried 150 and like OPRs and shit, and I was like, nope. Good on all that.
I actually like 150, but I was asked to run 200, so.
I felt like I was getting shredded. That was OPRs, of course.
You just gotta play life. At
Gotcha.
150.
All right. Let's do it. Where do you want to head out first? Like bot left side of B, middle, bot middle. Where do you feeling?
Mary's going to free point. Maybe.
I'm going to free point, so if you guys are on bond side, it'll be easier for me to
Yeah,
catch you up.
I
I think bond side, yeah.
Okay. Dracorum's kind of pushed up by himself. You see him on the left here? Actually,
Oh my god, no way I got caught in this fucking clump. Jesus Christ. Alright, I see on Bond right now, there's healer Nin New World. There's a fucking flamethrower.
Bad bandits on me. He's pushing me in. He's dead. He can die. Fuck. That was bad on my part. Damn it. I fucked up.
I'm still playing on
It's
Bond right
over.
now.
Okay. Looks like we're winning C.
Yeah, we should be.
Oh, we'll see the free point.
Yes.
I'm top of point right
Okay.
now. God
Okay.
damn,
Top of point.
I'm getting railed. I can't even find a sacred. Fuck.
I'm playing towards Bond. Biden, Beaton, BTTNN. It's like top of point, top by Bond. He's just half. He is our third.
Alright, I'm coming back. Where you guys at?
Top of point. There, I'm with
Top
a bunch
of
of
point?
schizos right now. Yeah.
I
On
see.
Dilbert.
I'm bottom left of
Try and
point,
pull back
trying to
bottom
get
of
there.
point, Siler.
Okay.
It's punished, Rango.
Hold on, I'm regrouping.
I see.
I have Bile.
I ain't seen shit for
Alright,
heroes down here.
let's regroup. They're pushing kind of into the bottom right of our point.
Yeah, look at Draco and Bitdu.
Draco. Where's Draco?
Bottom right.
Bottom right.
Yeah, right next to Guzzy here.
I see Draco. I see Draco. What is he?
He's a bruiser. Bitdu's fire staff blunderbuss. It's also high value.
BTN.
Yep, I see him.
BTN 1, middle point.
He's gone.
Trying to hit him with the bile. I think I missed him.
Kalpika right next to bonfire healer. They ran away.
Leon can die. Leon dead. Bad Bandit can die.
Netted.
Bottom left by Bond. Dead. Bandit dead. Chippendale healer or mage bonfire on top of bonfire. I'm on top of him.
Yeah, Kalpika memorized.
Recordium. Bonfire.
Bitdu's one hit.
BTDN. He healed. El Chapo or Capio. Kind of pushing top left of Bond, just kind of pushing them back. Trying to make space, trying to heal real quick. Lord can die. Lord Beezy. Beerus. I don't know what his name is.
We got blunders in our backline. We need
Blunders in our backline. Okay.
Okay.
yeah, we need to get back here. Bottom.
Okay. Heading to bottom point.
Left.
Bot left. Okay. The Draco.
The Draco
Bit-
and then Bitdu's our road.
Our road. I don't see anything on our road.
He just left. He's bottom
He's
right.
bonfire. Bottom left.
Bonfire. Or sorry, bottom left.
Oh, bad bandits diving. Some bandit can dive. Bottom way out left.
Bitdu's netted.
Bandit
I
dead.
netted him
Lord
too.
Beezy. Lord Beezy. He's netted. He's netted. He's one. He's still one. He's dead. New World. New World can die.
New World's netted. Oh, he
Alright,
dodged.
New World's out. Oh no, New World's dead. Nice. Leon can die. Leon dead. Alright, Chippendale.
He's walled. He's dead.
Chippendale dead.
We need to work and.
South Slayer.
towards our road.
I am just melting their backline right now. Hold on, 1 second. I'll be right there.
Yeah.
Please tell me he dies. Yes. Oh my god.
Is that Evaldi?
Leon,
Yeah.
Lydia is there.
We gotta get Bitdu on our road. Bonfire.
Oh damn it! I fucking threw a bad storm.
New World. I am behind them. How did I get here? I'm resetting.
Bonfire. Bottom left. We got a full group down here.
Okay, I see him. I see him.
Bitdu's dead.
I got a healer bottom point. Calcapu.
Calcapu?
Yep.
If
That
he's
is-
spiked.
Fuck,
He just
did he
ice
go?
blocked, I think.
Yeah, he's gone. He's on top right now. Running towards our road.
We gotta kill Dracodia.
This IG can die. Chi can die.
Deaded.
He's plagued. He's Draco can
He's
die.
one
He's
hit.
one.
Dracodium.
He's dead. Marvel 1. I'm pushing into the back line. I'm pushing into the back. Where are you guys at?
I'm bonfire.
I'm plugging point. Bonfire, okay. Bitsy can die. BTZ.
I'm on Dilbert
Yeah,
up
we
on
got
right now.
we got a full group in our back line. Roaring Tigers, Long Daddy.
Yep. I'm on a fire staff in our road right now.
Yeah. They're rotating.
I'll be there in a second, guys. I'm doing a lot in their back line. I'm going to keep pressing the advantage.
Yep.
I'm coming with you. They're rotating A. Heavy. Cerberus dies. Breezy dies. Breezy and Bandit are kill team, so they need to die. Dead.
Going to A.
Damn it.
I'm on the back side of A. I'm gonna see what I can do back here.
Yeah.
Remember, don't get caught on Bond. Try and
We got
push off into Oppo.
we got 2 healers on Oppo right now. Just running into.
Oppoban?
Nope, they're
Okay.
running in the bottom now. They're just this whole area back here. There's like fucking healers everywhere.
Oh yeah, this is
Oppo
all healers free casting down here. Evil, Jizzle, whatever his fuck his name is. I've
Hold on
lost
one
you guys.
second.
Where are you at?
Oh, but I fed. I was out of position. I'm gonna regroup with you guys. I'm just spawning B point running. Where do you want the support?
I'm on Oppo on healers still. on
Oppo
A.
is their healers. Yeah.
Oh, we took B. Huh.
Oppoban A. Okay. Oh god, that's a huge point on our bond. One dead. What's this guy's name? Calipgo. Bottom of points. Alone.
Yep, I see him. He's netted. Oh, he dodged it. Fucking bitch.
He ran. He's chunked though. Another healer. The OG. Is that the heal? I can't. There's a healer in this group. Hold on. There's an annoying guy trying to dive me. Dilbert healer bottom of point, and Calipgo as well. BB knocked me
Yep.
down.
I'm on him still.
Calipgo netted.
Rose is low. Healed up. Man, fuck this goddamn fire.
Calipgo's super plagued. Netted. Bottom of point still. Half.
Calpco's netted. Dead.
Dead.
Rose, the OG
Rose
is
the
one
OG.
shot.
Dead.
Dead.
Bidu, bottom of point, bottom left bond.
He's running.
Okay.
I
That was bad on my part there. Target. That's an IG healer. BT do bottom left Bond. He's a third.
Bit dude's a fire
He
staff.
ran.
I can't find fucking healers. Where the fuck they all at?
We just killed like 4 of them.
I say we step toes a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm pushing up a little bit. Trying to make some space. Oh, healer. Beat Rose COG. Bond. Outside of Bond. She's half. She's plagued. She's half. Bottom of point. Bottom of point.
I see her.
He wants his top point.
I'm still chasing her. There's a flail behind me. Valheim. Valkyrie Summer is third.
Push towards top point there, road.
Okay, hold on. What the hell are these guys over here doing? What are you doing now?
Oh god. No.
I think they're about to crash point.
They got me.
Marvel's chunked. Marvel's plagued. Trying to throw everything at the healer. I know I lost the power there.
You're spawning now.
Alright, I don't think we're making any progress there. King Long Daddy, Appleban, healer, alone. He netted? No, he's
Gilbert's
not.
Appleban, right at edge of point.
King Long Daddy a half. He's bottom of point, running. He's a third. He's one. He's dead. Rose COG, bottom of point. Plagued. Netted. Violin clump on point. Plugging this clump. Dolly's Llama? Rose COG? Or KR
It's
Paula. bottom of point.
808's better
Yeah, I see him.
thing.
He's netted.
They're netted.
He's netted. He's plagued. Oh my god, he's got good peel. He's netted. He's half. I'll just keep making him heal himself. Rosie OG. Rosie OG
Yep,
stun.
I got her fucking.
She's blown up. She's netted. She's plagued. Oh my god, how is she not dead? She's one. Bottom point one. Bottom point still one.
She's dead.
Dead. Okay, that's a BB. There's a fire staff just walking around on the bottom of the point. Do we want to deal with that or no?
Who is it?
Chibra? I can't tell. There's 3 of them together in a clump here.
Then yeah, let's punish them. So they're bottom of point.
God damn, I can't go in. There we go.
Mango. He's gonna get out. I can't help him. Okay, let's regroup where you guys are. Valkon can die. Oh, he's one. Bapoban running. He's bottom of point now.
How am I not hitting this guy?
Valheim?
I'm standing right in front of him. The fuck was that?
Nah, that's not what I wanted to do. He's dead. B2, that's a fire staff. Dilbert, that's a healer. Calypco.
Yep, Calpco.
Calypco netted. Calypco netted. Calypco netted. Calypco can die. Super plagued. One. I got disrupted. still one. Can't get her. I'm gonna die for this. Nope. Clutch heals. Clutch heals.
No, fuck this VG.
The healer actually died. Rose the OG. Rose the OG. Guys, get off my fucking ass.
Good. Bonfire, their kill team here. Bad Bandit, bit do.
Hold on. I'm in a precarious situation.
Spawns in 38.
Rose the OG can die. She's dead. Evil banana. Evil. No, that's not a priority target. Stupid. Bruiser, get out of here.
Marveal, bottom of point, current top heals.
Marvel bottom of point. I see him. Marvel plagued. Marvel super plagued.
Looking for him. I
Netted.
can't
Netted.
fucking find
One.
him.
Marvel half. Marvel half. Marvel right side of Apobon. Apobon still one. I'm gonna die for this. No, I'm not.
That's their AoE healer. It's a huge.
Okay,
value
I
if you
will
can kill
hunt them down. Lindia, Lindex. Oh, this guy can die.
Oh, I'm dead as fuck. Damn it. "15-second respawns."
Okay. Okay. Lydia the healer. She's running. Smooth can die. Smooth Apobon. He's half. He's dead. Evil Banana can die. He's dead. Oh, this is a big clump. Oh, big crash, big crash, big crash. Plaguing everything. Plaguing the point. Come on, win this, guys, win this. Gotta get in their back. I'm just pushing their back line. There's too many healers on Ramparts free casting right now. Oh.
Looks like most of their healers are road.
Yep,
Yep,
I'm
I
on
see
Rose
that.
OG right now.
Yeah. Caprico, Marveal,
Marvel?
KR.
Oh,
They're all down there.
I gotta get to the ego diff. There's a bow just like alone on the right. He's okay. He's gone.
Leave him alone. We gotta kill the healers.
Yeah.
God damn, bro.
That's... Oh, that crash looked real good. Okay. Oh, alright. Let's...
God, they're heavy
there's a
bottom.
Wide,
now.
bottom right heavy push. There's like a ton of them. I'm plugging this huge clump. They're all plagued. Come on. Come on. Okay. Father of... That's a mage. Okay. Ego diff, far right, alone. I'm just gonna ignore him. He's not doing anything out there. Let's peel this guy off. Talon, Talos, Myra. I missed the net. He's heavy. I'm not gonna hit him anymore. Well, actually, never mind.
We gotta get bottom of
switched.
point. Calpico, Rose, the OG, Dilbert, KR. They're
Okay.
all down here.
Okay, pushing him. I see him. KR. KR's netted. Rose
Rose
COG's
the OG's
half.
rooted.
She's a third. Can't get to her.
Silver died.
Filipko.
Marveal's one hit. Marveal's one hit. Marveal's dead. Rose the OG walled.
Where?
Bottom point.
Bottom point.
Road.
Bottom point roads. I see her.
Yeah. Just burned flesh.
She's
No
one.
cooldowns. They're dead. KR 1+. No cooldowns.
I see him.
Dead.
Oh, I thought that was my VP.
Where you guys at?
Bottom one.
Bottom of point. Pushing into
Okay.
point right now.
I see Kalepko on Bond.
I'm in trouble. I am in trouble.
Get
Damn
past
it.
Bond if you can.
I meant to heal
They're
and
gonna
pop
try and
fire.
attack you there. Run past them, get Oppo Bond.
Okay.
Oh fuck, they got me. Spawns in 15.
Spawns in 15.
Spawns 10.
This flamethrower is chasing around our bottom of point now. Do we focus on these divers, or do we just keep farming their healers? Because I think we're doing pretty good, honestly.
If we murder their healers, the rest of them die. So, like...
Yeah, let's keep doing what we're doing. Alright, back to the bottom point.
Oh, Marvel is on the bottom left.
Marvel's
AoE
super
healer?
high value.
Yep.
Bottom left.
He's on top left now. He's in
top
top
left?
point.
Okay.
Top point.
I see Lindia. I don't see Marvel. I see
Calpico,
Memorize.
our road. Out of cooldown's dead. Bitu's one hit, our road.
Dilbert's one.
Got Dilbert.
Nice, I killed some too. I just plugged their healer stack. Hopefully that helps our team a little bit. Oh god, regrouping. Oh, trying to peel for a heal real quick. Alright, saved a healer. Cyclonia can die. Cyclical Night Slayer. Cyclical Night Slayer's down. Leon can die. Leon, bottom point, bottom right, oppo bomb. I missed.
New World's almost dead, out of cooldowns. New World dead.
Leon's one. Leon's fucking one.
Marvel's one hit.
Marvel. Oh.
They
He's
died.
dead. He's
They
dead.
died.
He's dead. I'll tiptoe a little bit on point.
Leon's dead. I was lagging.
God, they're
Yeah,
all.
toe point if you can.
Okay. Top. Bioing this clump. Plugging that clump. Trying to get myself out of this situation.
Stepping on points.
Regrouping. I can push him off the point. Pushing into point.
Marvel's on bottom point.
Oh, I'm in a fucking bad spot.
Yep.
Okay, big heals, big
KR
heals.
1 plus Calpico on bottom point near Bond.
A lot of them are tiptoeing bottom point. The healers.
Okay, pushing bottom point.
They're all plagued.
Marvel's chunked. Marvel's two-thirds. Full healed. I lost him. Bezos? Never mind, he's a bruiser.
Oh,
we don't need
shit.
him. That's an enemy heal.
RVL bottom point for Oppo Bond.
Aquapon. I'm bottom of point. KR's back.
No way. I got
KR's plagued. Running away. Oh, I'm in
38
trouble.
second respawns.
There's a
Calling
kill
for
squad
crash,
just diving
okay.
Ash. Oh, I'm in trouble. Thank you, healer.
Rose the OG, bottom of point, very low.
Bond is heavy. Bond is heavy with players.
15-second response. Respawns now.
Bond has healers free casting. I'm trying to get him. Calypco. Cynical Kingslayer. Okay, let's see if I can do something here. Calypco. Oh, that's a lag. Calypco netted. Calypco running towards point from Bond.
Netted again.
Yep. Calypco chunked. Calypco chunked. No. I put myself in a bad spot. I didn't heal.
Yeah, I'm not taking that bait to go over there. Fuck me.
Step point, if you can.
Step. Yep, I'm on
Alright,
point.
Respawning. Running. Throwing a Hail Mary fireball. Yes.
Yes, we fucking got it.
At least
We got to 4.
At least we got to 4.
Yeah. That's our killer.
Rush Seagate.
Don't let them escape. Plague the shit out of them.
We just gotta get in, bro. We just gotta get in. Keep the Zerg going.
Cleanse in, rush in. Use your net shot to get in.
Oh god. Oh god.
I don't have any more cleanses. I should have bought more. Get in.
Remember, you can use your tomb to cleanse.
Yep. Bucket to the point.
Calpico's on point.
I'm on point.
I'm on
Just
point.
in point.
Just get on point. Just get on point.
Rose the OG,
Bucket, throw
bottom
everything on point.
Rose the OG on point, right side.
I'm just putting plagues on as many things as I can. I'm dead.
Toe point, toe point.
I just chucked everything on point. I threw bodies on point. Just 50 seconds. This is it. This is it. Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Oh my god, we barely, bro.
Oh god, we didn't get it.
We didn't get it. That was insane.
So close.
They're
It's D-ticking.
we're getting kills though. They're D-ticking.
Yeah, I know.
a
I'm
little
trying to
bit,
run
but-
back in.
I got 30 seconds of respawns.
30 seconds, guys.
No weight's going up. No weight's going up. Oh my
Oh.
god.
Oh, I thought we won.
So close.
I thought we won.
Thought we won, mother.
Oh, whoa. Oh, I thought we won. Damn. That was close as fuck. I think we played pretty well, though. I think we had good comps.
Dude, number 3. Good job, Turtle.
And I didn't actually pad this game. There was no random bullshit just throwing fireballs at the clump. It was targeted damage the entire time.
See, Marville was number 1. Like,
Dude, he,
almost 7 mil heals. We
I
should have
couldn't
killed
kill
them
him.
more.
Like we chucked. So he just.
He
He
was
just was a
slippery as hell.
squirrel.
Yeah.
I thought we won that. We were literally a tick away.
I thought we got it. What the fuck?
Yeah. GG's though. I think
Oh,
we played together
GGs.
well. We communicated a lot better.
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Yeah.
GG, boys. Oh my god, my heart.